the best thing that you can do is to be unique. And there's quite a few different ways to be unique on Amazon. You can bundle products together. You can alter your product. You can include other things, ebooks, things like that in your product. You can use very, very specific targeting to own the search terms on an Amazon search results. There's lots of different things you can do to make your product unique. A lot of them we talk about in the AOE training. So that would be the first step of the process. However, as you will find, and as we all find, success on Amazon breeds copycats on Amazon. And it is an inevitability of selling on Amazon. It's almost, I would suggest, a badge of honor, really, because success will lead to people copying your product. Sometimes, literally, the whole thing, including your images, including the text that you've written, like it's just blatant. And if it is blatant, then you can obviously get that all taken down. But success will lead to copycats, all right? Here, this product here, you've got other people selling the product. And indeed, when you think about it, Amazon actually does encourage people to copy your product, encourages people to sell the same thing. Amazon encourages that by saying, it's not on this page, which is kind of weird, have you got one of these to sell? So you would have seen that on Amazon listing. They often do it. And so they're encouraging that. So it's kind of inevitable that it's going to happen. So for me, what I do is one of two things. The first one is kind of scandalous, but it's just what it is. So I have a internal life cycle of a product on Amazon, and always my goal is to sell it. So I am acutely aware of this phenomena on Amazon whereby people come and copy products that are selling well. And what I do to take advantage of that is I build my business, and then between 18 and 24 months later, I look to sell it and exit it, because I know if I've done a good job, it's a successful business, so it's got value to people, and if I've done my job, it's now on the radar of other people who are going to want to copy it. And so I just look to exit them and sell out of them. So there's that. Or you can do other things whereby you stay ahead of the curve. And you'll see lots and lots of good Amazon sellers doing this. They're constantly launching. So for instance, let me see if I can remember the name of their business. I was only talking to him early last week. What is the name? Oh, here it is. Yeah, Source Naturals. There we go. Remembered it. Don't tell anybody I've showed you this. So Source Naturals. I don't know. Let's just choose one at random. This one. So you can. That's a terrible listing, isn't that? Just freaking horrible. You can use Amazon to be constantly updating the way you're selling things, and a lot of products, a lot of very, very high-end sellers have worked into their budgets a monthly relaunch of their product. So their product has done so well. This is a crap example I'm showing you. I know that he's got much more profitable and more products that are selling a lot more than this. But some of those products, he has to relaunch them every single month to make sure that they're the default option on Amazon. So that's just worked into his marketing now and worked into his costs. So it's a good problem to have. He still makes a lot of money, many, many hundreds of thousands of dollars. And so, but that's worked into his marketing now. So Paul, not sure if that answers your question. Kind of rambled on there, but hopefully there are some little things in there that you could take to differentiate your product, to bundle it, and to look at actually the lifespan of your business and see it as a finite thing rather than an infinite thing. Build it, sell it, do it again. Build it, sell it, do it again. That would be my suggestion to you. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.